Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you an awesome tip for pressing behind your head. Now, if you cannot achieve a fully locked out position with your ribs locked down, or if your shoulders are like this, it's not for you yet. You need to focus on more exercises that require you to pull back and open up the front of the shoulder. If, however, your posture is awesome, then what you want to start working on is your behind the neck press. So from here, have your elbows completely underneath yourself so that you're like this and not like this. If you start pushing from there, that's not good for you. You want to have elbows right the way underneath. Then from there, lock everything down nice and tight and then press up like that until you're completely locked out at the top. Now, depending on your shoulder mobility and how close you can get your grip in, will just be something to play with over time. The closer in you can get, the more relative you're going to be for things like handstand and stuff like that. And then you also have your snatch grip press, which most people should be able to do. This one here, nice and wide like that. Again, weight isn't really the goal here with this one. Treat it more like a mobility exercise and just work on getting that nice straight line. So bum squeezed, elbows underneath, and keep the ribs locked down nice and tight, and then press like that. Squeezing everything. I always really like to pause at the top whenever I'm doing any kind of pressing overhead as well, just to really finish that locked out position and just get everything stacked like that, and just practice those lockouts, especially for the likes of jerks and stuff like that, where your elbows are going to be in that position. Okay guys?